two humans move closer. Their hearts beat faster. Their brains release chemicals. And then they press their lips together. A kiss. Something so normal, yet so strange. Think about it. Why do humans kiss at all? Why does touching lips create feelings of love, trust, comfort, and attachment? Why can a single kiss feel magical, emotional, even life-changing? And here's the weirdest part. Humans are one of the very few species on Earth that kiss romantically. So where did kissing come from? Is it instinct? Is it culture? Or is it an ancient survival behavior hidden deep inside the human brain? Because the truth is, kissing may have helped humans survive for thousands of years. If aliens watched humans, kissing would probably confuse them. Two people pressing soft skin together for emotional bonding. Strange, right? But humans don't just kiss romantic partners. Parents kiss babies. Friends kiss cheeks. Families kiss each other goodbye. Across human history, kissing became connected with trust, affection, comfort, bonding, loyalty, which means kissing is not just about romance. It's about connection. Human lips are incredibly sensitive. They contain huge numbers of nerve endings connected directly to the brain, which means even small touches feel powerful. And when humans kiss, the brain reacts immediately. Chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin are released. Dopamine creates pleasure. Oxytocin creates emotional bonding and trust. Scientists sometimes call oxytocin the love hormone. Your heartbeat changes. Your stress lowers. Your brain becomes emotionally attached. A kiss is not just emotional. It's biological programming. Part 3. The Ancient Human Theory. 3-4-30. To understand kissing, we need to go back thousands of years. Ancient humans survived in small tribes. Life was dangerous. Predators, hunger, cold weather, disease. Humans survived through cooperation. Strong emotional bonds increased survival chances. Parents needed to protect children. Partners needed to trust each other. Tribes needed social connection. Physical touch became extremely important. Hugs reduced stress. Touch created trust. Closeness strengthened relationships. And kissing may have evolved as one of the strongest bonding behaviors humans ever developed. In other words, humans who formed stronger emotional connections may have survived better. Some scientists believe kissing may have very ancient origins connected to feeding. Early human mothers sometimes transferred food mouth to babies. This behavior still exists in some animal species today. Over thousands of years, this close mouth contact may have slowly become associated with care, safety, and affection. Eventually, human brains may have transformed this behavior into emotional bonding between adults too. Nobody knows for certain if this theory is completely true, but it shows something important. Kissing may be deeply connected to ancient human survival behaviors. Here's where things become fascinating. Your brain may use kissing to gather biological information about another person. Humans subconsciously detect scent, hormones, chemical signal, health indicators during close physical contact. In simple words, your brain is silently asking, is this person healthy? Can I trust them? Am I emotionally compatible with them? That's why people sometimes say there was no chemistry, because literally chemistry is involved. But here's something surprising. Not every human culture practiced romantic kissing. Some isolated tribes around the world historically had little or no romantic kissing behavior, which means kissing is not completely universal. This tells us something important. Kissing is probably a mix of biology, culture, learned behavior. Human evolution created the emotional systems, but cultures shaped how humans express them. Ancient humans lived close together constantly. Families slept together. Tribes sat together around fires. Humans touched each other daily. But modern life is different. Today, many humans live alone, communicate through screens, spend hours without physical contact. And scientists have found that loneliness and lack of touch can increase stress and anxiety. Humans evolved for connection, not isolation, which may explain why small gestures like hugs, kisses, and physical affection still feel emotionally powerful today. Somewhere deep inside, your brain still thinks you are part of an ancient tribe. So why do humans kiss? Because beneath modern civilization, humans are still ancient creatures, shaped by evolution, emotion, and survival. A kiss may seem simple, but hidden inside that moment is biology, trust, attraction, attachment, and thousands of years of human history. Maybe kissing feels magical because your brain connects it with something ancient: safety, love, human connection. And perhaps that ancient need for connection never disappeared.